NVIDIA is much more than GPUs and CUDA. From Triton to TensorRT and from Rapids to Nemo, NVIDIA is delving into each layer of AI stack. We have been covering models, tools, and frameworks from NVIDIA for a long time. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick, surefire way to install Nemo 2 locally on your system, and then we will do an inference with this Nemo stack. If you don't know what Nemo is, NVIDIA's Nemo is an end-to-end framework specifically designed for building, training, fine-tuning, and deploying large-scale AI models, particularly LLMs, speech AI, both ASR and TTS, and multimodal models, with a focus on enterprise-grade performance and scalability. There is so much more you can do with NVIDIA's Nemo, from pre-training to mid-training to post-training, dataset curation, lot of things, but I'm going to take it piece by piece. So in this video, we are just going to install it locally. So let's get started. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe, and consider becoming a member, as that helps a lot and drives the channel and keeps the lights on. Okay, now you know what you need to do. Let me take you to the first step, which is required in order to get this NVIDIA Nemo installed. And that step is to go to NVIDIA's NGC, which is their cloud. From there, sign up for a free account. Just click on this Explore NGC catalog, give your email address, and you will be created an account with an organization. On the top right, just click on this drop down and then click on setup. Once you click on setup, you'll be presented with this screen. From here, you can see that there are a lot of keys you can generate, but for different software, of course, just click on this generate API key, and you can see that I already have my API key, which I have generated by click on this generate personal key. That is the key which you need. For instance, if I click here, just give it any name, test or something, and then you can set the expiry, and then give the permission. Make sure you give it the permission of NVIDIA's private registry, and if you need NGC catalog, also give it that, because that is required. I normally give permission to all of it. Once you have your key, let's go back. Let me open my terminal. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system. I have one GPU card, NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. If you're looking to rent a GPU or VM on very affordable price, you can find the link to Master Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. Okay, the first step, I am going to log in to that NGC or NVIDIA's registry, and my login is succeeded. Now you might not be logged in automatically, so let me log out first and then I will show you how to log in back. So you can see that I have logged out. Let me clear the screen and log in back. The username which you need to use is this, and for password, just paste your password token which you have just grabbed. And I'm now logged in. Next step is to grab or pull the NVIDIA's Nemo container. Now there are various ways of installing Nemo, including with Docker, and then you can install it with Pip-R, which is simply a Nemo toolkit, or you could just install it from source from their GitHub repo, and they have this pretty grounded and extensive GitHub repo with a lot of tutorials and documents which you can read through. Bit confusing at the moment because I think they are in the process of migrating from Nemo 1 to Nemo 2, but I believe it is quite extensive repo, very alive, so I'm sure they are going to clean it up, because this is the direction NVIDIA is taking at the moment. And they also have this documentation which you can read through, but it's very, very nice, and you would see there is so much in NVIDIA's Nemo. Look at this. You can prepare the data set, you can select the Nemotron, or there are a lot of model from retriever to evaluator to canary and a lot of other stuff. Then this is a toolkit. You can build your own agent, you can connect it to your own local data, and then there are some safety guardrails. I already have covered a channel around guardrail just today, Nemotron PII, and then this is NVIDIA Nemo which you can deploy. as per enterprise level, and then this is where you can iterate it through. Lot of stuff is there anyway. So let's go back. This takes a bit of a time, so let's wait for it to finish. And that is downloaded. Next, let's run that container and we will log into that container as a root. So let's wait. And we are logged into that container. Let me show you the version of Nemo. So it's the latest one. And now we can do the inference. For the inference, first we need to download the model. NVIDIA not only supports its own Nemotron models, but a lot of other open source models. I'm just going to go with this Qwen 3, which is an amazing model. So for that, first let's import that model from Hugging Face and then convert it into Nemo's own format. So I'm just going to run this script which I have just created, and that is going to download the model on our local system. Let's wait for it. Takes a bit of a time, and you can ignore these warnings. So you see that it is now importing this model from Hugging Face with the tokenizer and the saved, and that's a very small model, and that's almost done. And you can see that the model is now imported in Nemo's format. Let's do the inference. So this is a big script which I have written in order to do the inference, and for inference all I'm doing, I'm just specifying some of the parameters and then simply asking it to return me the response. So you will see what happens. It is running as it does the inference with all the hyperparameters on just some random prompts like what is machine learning and all that stuff. And let me also run the NVTop just to see how much VRAM does it consume. See, it is running just under 2 gig and just over 2 gig now. It's a very lightweight model. It is generating the response at the moment. There you go. So this is inference completed, and these are the 3 prompts which I passed around. Sorry, I'll just take you up. And after loading the model, so like what is AI, and then all that, explain quantum computing. Anyway, so that is not important. The response of the model, we already have done a complete video on the model and its capabilities. You can search the channel, but this is a quick fire way of running Nemo and its inference. Now you might be wondering that it is if you compare it to like Hugging Face or even Olama, this inference is slightly, I won't say hard, but of course more steps. So one thing you need to remember, as I said earlier, Nemo and most of these NVIDIA products are geared towards enterprise. So for example, if you're looking to deploy these models in production, then you can just take them up and then install it. I'm not saying that they're not useful or good for local testing. They are definitely. They are actually quite optimized on NVIDIA GPUs, and I routinely use them, and I would highly recommend them too, even if you are testing the full models. But if you are looking for a unified on-premise in your data center deployment with an optimized NVIDIA GPUs with model parallelism, checkpoint conversion, I think for organizations and enterprises, small to medium sized businesses, I think this is quite a good investment on NVIDIA hardware. Of course, if you don't have NVIDIA hardware, it doesn't make sense, but it does support everything, by the way. But I think this is primarily geared towards NVIDIA's hardware and software stack, especially for example, if you are running Triton inference server, or if you are optimizing it with TensorRT, I mean the model, it supports both of them natively plus a lot of other things. The more you go into this NVIDIA stuff, the more you would realize how much things they have inside NGC and other software stack, and I'll be covering all of them. That's it. Let me know what do you think about it. If you still have any questions or stuff, happy to answer. If you need the code, please become a member. Happy to send it across. Thank you for all the support.